Hello there, this is fairbinaryoptions.com, and believe it or not, or as strange as it may look, I would like to buy some call options on the EURGBP and pound, let's say the problematic EURGBP and pound pair. Why problematic? Because it has been battered, if you want, so bad during all this, not only this week but all these previous weeks, and from my point of view at this moment of time, we might have a nice end of a corrective wave to the downside. The corrective wave to the downside should be the one from the highs here. I would say that this one, of course, ends with a contracting triangle like this, and then of course this one from here to here like this, and it means that the whole wave actually ended here. Now the key to all this structure stays with how to label this move to the downside from here to here. Definitely this is a corrective wave. Now if this move ends with the pattern that it looks like here, and with the fact that price is failing to break into new lows here, so we have a low here, then we have another low here, and then we have, at least now, another bouncing place for this low. So everything here points towards currency pair that is struggling for survival, if you want, or a currency pair that is struggling for getting back on its feet, and it's not nothing more perfect, if I may say so, than to end such a corrective wave with a contracting triangle. What kind of a contracting triangle? This triangle here looks to be A, B, C, D, and then the E wave here looks to be like an irregular variation of a contracting triangle, and on a break higher we might have some follow through. How to label though this move from here to here and to the downside? Well, I would say that anything that is in between here, because of the fact that the move is channeling too well, if you take a trend line from here like this and like this, because of the fact that the move is channeling too well, then everything that goes from here to here, in my opinion, would be just an X wave, then a corrective, then a move to the downside here, and then another X wave, and then the contracting triangle to form the triangle in the end to form here. I wouldn't say that this is a triple combination or stuff like that, but I would say that this one has all the chances in the world to pop higher. First of all, because market is looking now only to buy the Great Britain pound, and on the expectations that the Bank of England will hike the rates, I agree, but markets seem to fail all the time that let's say what we actually trade is a currency pair and not only a currency. So long story short, let's write on the screen the plan. What I would like to do here is to buy call options. So I would like to buy call options with end of day expiration date today, and we'll look at what the market will do by the time Friday is going to close. I'm talking about Friday trading in the United States, of course, as that would be the logical thing to do. So let's write on the screen here that buying call options with end of day, sorry, because this is Friday, expiration date, as this would be the logical thing to do. And I would say that because it is Friday already, and the pair has been sold so aggressively during all these weeks. As you can see, for all this week the pair just moves to the downside, to the downside, to the downside. I think that we might have a chance to see some covering, some profit taking, and therefore in order to close the short position you need to buy, so the pressure to the upside to come for the pair. It remains to be seen. Thank you very much for being here. This is fairbinaryoptions.com. As mentioned earlier, all these analysis and recommendations are possible due to the help of our sponsor, of course, Lionknife. So have a great day, and make sure you check lionknife.com. Also check our Binary Options Academy project that we have on the website, on the fairbinaryoptions.com, as we have a lot of interesting stuff out there, both on the technical side and on the fundamental. Have a great day and keep in touch. Bye bye.